zero and first conditional sentences. A sentence in the present real or zero conditional is used for science and for facts. If you put water in a freezer, it freezes. This is a fact. If the freezer is below 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius, water freezes. If it's cold outside, I wear a coat, a hat, and gloves. If it's really cold outside, things freeze. Things freeze if it's really cold outside. If we work, we get paid. This is for a present situation. This is for any situation in the present. This verb is in the present tense, and this verb, which is passive, is in the present tense. You could make it negative and say, if we don't work, we don't get paid. Both of these are in the present tense. This is the situation if we don't work, and this is the result. We don't get paid. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. This is a fact. The colors red and blue together make purple. Or begin with this part of the sentence and say, you get purple if you mix red and blue. If my dog is good, she gets a treat. Here's the present tense, and here's the present tense. This usually happens when my dog is good. I could replace if with when. It's also possible to use will get here. If my dog is good, she will get a treat. Now the sentence is changed from the zero conditional to the first conditional. In this next part of the video, I'll show you examples of sentences using the first conditional. These pants will freeze if I leave them outside. The first conditional is very similar to the zero conditional. The difference is you use a modal verb such as will, and the main verb is in the simple form. If you put this outside, it will freeze. It's very cold outside today. So if you put this outside, it will freeze. I know it will freeze because it's very cold outside. Or, this will freeze if you put it outside. Now, if is in the middle of the sentence and there's no punctuation. Over here, there's a comma at the end of this first clause. But here, when if is in the middle of the sentence, there's no comma. If we go to school, we will learn many new things. This modal verb could be replaced with other modal verbs. We might learn many new things. We should learn many new things. We could learn many new things. I think will is probably the best choice here, but there are other possibilities for modal verbs in the first conditional. This is for a future situation, but it could be for any situation at any time. If a person commits a crime, he or she will be punished. This is the condition, and this is the result. This verb is in the present tense, and this verb, which is in the passive voice, is in the future tense. It is possible to just use the present tense here. If a person commits a crime, he or she is punished. In this case, the sentence changes to the zero conditional. This is for present situations that are always true, but they have the same meaning. Whether the sentence is in the first conditional or the zero conditional, the meaning is about the same. This is something that usually happens. If we don't hurry, we'll be late. Here, the verb is in the present tense, and it's negative. And here, the helping verb is contracted with the subject. Will is we will. And then here's the main verb, be. If we don't hurry, we'll be late. Or begin the sentence with, we'll be late if we don't hurry. If it rains, we won't go. This is for a situation that has not happened yet. Or you could say, if it rains, don't go. This is a little bit different because this is a command. If this happens, don't do this. Or don't go if it rains. It's very cold outside today. You'll get frostbite if you don't wear a coat, a hat, and gloves. Or if you don't wear a coat, a hat, and gloves, you'll get frostbite. In this case, this is almost guaranteed to happen because it's very cold outside, and frostbite is a situation in which the skin burns from the severe cold. If this video helped you, you can visit my free website at EnglishForThePlanet.com.